Good day everyone, my name is Vincent Yuan Waigabat and my topic is nuclear energy, a boon or a bane. At a very crucial point in our country's history, we are today posed to an energy crisis considering that the Malampaya gas field are now fast reaching its critical depression point now. We need a reliable and sustainable source of energy. Some talk of nuclear power, the biggest and most continuous power today. I want to squarely tackle this one by looking both sides of nuclear power from benefits to risk. The future of nuclear energy. Nuclear power is the one of promising response to our threats over energy. It is a clean source which does not emit any greenhouse gases like fossil fuel. A single nuclear power plant generates tremendous amount of electricity that can even meet the power of requirement of millions. This will greatly reduce our reliance on imported fossil fuels and enhance our energy independence. Additionally, nuclear energy provides employment and energy economics activity and a stronger energy infrastructure. The risk we cannot ignore. We can't ignore the elephant in the room. The risk to nuclear power. There is always the possibility of Chernobyl or Fukushima catastrophe waiting to happen. Radioactive waste have not yet been disposed and safely, and nuclear that is weapon grade material falling into the wrong hand is such as a serious threat that we cannot ignore it. Balanced approach. We have to take this decision with great caution and foresight. We will have to adopt a holistic national approach that weighs risk on one scale against benefits on the other. We will require stringent safety standards, robust regulatory oversight, and real public input. We will have to make research and deployment investment in safer and more efficient nuclear technologies. Location. Indeed, the location of the nuclear power plant would be a very important choice. It should be areas with seismic activity, far from dense po- population center, and have enough boiling water. An extensive environmental impact assessment is also necessary so that this area, which will host the nuclear plant, will pose no threat to our economic system as far as its construction and operation are concerned. The energy in the future. Energy for the Philippines in the future as an equation that requires careful thought, open discussion, and division, proper stewardship. Let's look into all possible input options from renewable energy source, but know also the potential of nuclear power through reason and faith. Let's join together to give our country a brighter, sustainable energy future. Not just energy, it for our future, the right choice.